Hey guys, so we're making a video today about Spider-Man watch. It's a little bit shiny, but it's okay. I'm going to be transforming this today, and Samantha's going to be filming it and editing it. So let me open the package, and then I'm going to open this beauty right like this. And this is what Spider-Man looks like right here. It's really cool. And yeah. So this is Spider-Man. Okay, so basically, I'm just gonna make a video about me transforming this. So I need to look on my instructions. That's okay. Yeah. So let me just do some stuff here, and then yeah, we'll get on to the transforming. So this is the transforming part, and we're going to transform this thing. First, you just turn this thing around for some. Turn these both around like this. Then you put up the hands. Both of the hands, because you need to put up both of the hands. Let me take this thing out first. Okay, good. And you put these two things up here like this. And then you put his head down like this. And then you take these two and you connect them together. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's how you do it. You put them together. And then you rotate this part right over here. And then you move this part up right here. You move it down here. And then it says on this thing, so you move it down here, and then you put these two together like so. And then you just take this part out. No, not yet. So you take this part out, and then wait, I need to take this apart. Okay, this comes apart. Let me just fix it. And let me close it up just like this. Wait a minute, let me do something first. Okay. So let me just close this back up like so. And boom. And I'm pretty sure this is how you turn it into a watch. Wait a minute. And you just snap it together. Oh no, this is breaking apart. Let me just fix it and snap it together. And Spider-Man's head is here. So yeah, and this is the watch. And then you could move it somewhere so you could change the size of it. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, you can change the size of it. Oh, it's really stiff. But you can still change the size of it, which is good. Because I can't really put it on it. But this is the Spider-Man watch. And you can open it like this. It's 1212 on this. I don't know what 1212 is. If you could see that, that's pretty cool, but you probably can't. So I'm gonna close this back up, and yeah, I'm just going to close it, and I'm gonna transform it back. So let me just transform it back. Is this how you turn it back? No. Okay, so let me just slide these to back, and we're going to transform this little guy back. So first you take these two apart, then you put this part back here. Then you turn this around, both of them around, and then you do this, and you put them back. And that's what makes it stand up. And after that, you take these two apart, you put the head back, and then you take these two parts down, and then you turn these things, if you could see that on camera. And actually, turn it back. And then you take these hands out, and then you turn it back. And you turn it back. This is very stressful and hard, okay? And then you turn it back, and you could move it like a little bit, I guess. And this thing is pretty cool. Yeah. So we're gonna end the video here. Hope you like it. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like it, and if you did like it, then you should show your friends and family this video. And maybe don't like Spider-Man, because who doesn't like Spider-Man? And this guy's pretty cool. You can even open the watch while he's in this bar. But yeah, so we're gonna close the video. Peace